Thank you for choosing multiple awnings. For your MultiShade, let's replace the motor together. You will need your remote control, a 3mm Allen key, a Phillips screwdriver, and a hammer. First of all, open your MultiShade by at least 1 foot. Then, unplug it. First, on the motor side, loosen the guide wire from the floor bracket and remove it. Then, unscrew the side cover on the motor side. Pull it gently and remove the motor from the galvanized tube. Gently slide half the length of the new motor in the galvanized tube, while carefully guiding the notch of the plastic ring into the groove on the tube. Using the hammer, lightly tap the other plastic ring around the motor until it's inserted on the galvanized tube. Align yourself on the groove of the tube. Lastly, fully push in the motor head, aligning its plastic ring to the identical notch on the motor head. Screw the side cover onto the casing. To finish this procedure, thread the guide wire in the front charge stopper and reinstall it in the floor bracket. Tighten and adjust the tension. Then, cut the wire. You may now reconnect the power cable. To pair your remote with the new motor and reset the upper and lower limits, watch the video Remote Control Programming for the MultiShade. The replacement of the motor on your MultiShade is now completed. Multiple Awnings wishes you a great summer.